In question 18, we're told in the sport of wingball there are three types of goal which go as follows: a span, which is 8 points, a beat, which scores 5 points, and a tip, which scores 2 points. The Eagles, we're told, scored a total of 720 points last season in the National Wingball League, setting a new record for the number of points scored in a season. Their 42 spans and their 36 beats were also new records, but they fell just short of claiming the record for the most tips in a season. So we don't know the number of tips, but we are shown these number of charts, and we're asked to work out which of them represent the composition of the 720 points scored by the Eagles, i.e. the number of spans, beats and tips and their relative proportions. So, because we've already expressed this algebraically and we already have the values, we can quickly work out what we need to do. Moving this down, we can say that 42 by 8 plus 36 times 5 plus an indeterminate number, we can say x multiplied by 2 gives us 720. So we know that 42 times 8, or we know that 42 times 10 would be 420, minus 42 times 2, i.e. 84, would be 336, plus 36 times 5, which is 180, i.e. half 360, and 2x gives us 720. So we should be able to subtract this by first working out what these two are when added together. Actually, first what we'll do is we'll subtract 180 from 720, which we know 336 plus 2x would then equal 540. Then all we'd have to do is say 2x equals, or 540 minus 340 would be 200, so we have 204. X is 102, i.e. the number of tips, so let's fill that in here, 102 tips. So we can see that we have, if we just break it down, 42 spans, but that gives us, hold on, we're actually being asked the composition of the points rather than the number of each individual thing. So that's something that could throw us. We know that we have 336 points from our spans, 180 points, so 336 is, just under half, 180 points from our beats, and only 204 points, from our tips. So we want one where spans are less than half and tips are more than beats, but they're both about a quarter, which we can see is closest to E, which we can take to be our answer.